back. I'm coming to show you guys another wig. This wig is from China Lace Wigs. This is the packaging for the wig. It did come in a bag like this. Kind of looks like a beauty supply store packaging for like the wigs that you would get there. So it comes in a plastic bag, and then the wig was inside of here. Also inside of that, it did come with this satin bag, which I really like. I can throw the rest of it away and just keep the wig in this bag. So it is like a thicker satin type of bag. So on the box, I don't think, it doesn't say anything about the specific wig that I have. It just shows some different things that you can do to the wig, such as pluck it, or it does come pre-plucked in bleached knots and a natural hairline. And then it says that it's soft, natural, and breathable, and you can see some people from YouTube on the box. And then it has their social media and stuff like that. So this is the box. This is my first time, I believe, ever receiving a wig from China Lace Wigs. So this is the wig that I got, and as you guys can see, it is a bob, and it is cut like bobs that I would usually get whenever I get a sew-in bob. So I really like that, but this time it does have color, and I usually just rock my bobs in a natural color. So I haven't really tried like an ombre bob like this, and I really like the length of it. So I did curl the hair like with some messy waves, like how I would usually wear my bobs, because I just really wanted to, you know, rock it how I would normally rock it. But I will definitely wear this hair straight as well. I did want to put this hair in the middle part whenever I was first like putting it on and styling it, but this side of the hair is longer than this side. So with the middle part, I would have had to cut the hair and, you know, do all of that, and I didn't feel like doing all that, so I just did a side part. I'm gonna tell you guys the info on this hair. And originally I had picked a blue ombre type of bob, but I don't believe that one was available, so they had gave me a choice to choose between like this blonde color or I believe like a burgundy color. So I chose the blonde color, and I was gonna dye it blue, but I decided I would just rock with this because I really like the color of this. So like I said, this is from China Lace Wigs. This is a 360 wig, and the hair color is a 1B, and then it says blue, but that's not what we chose, so I'm not really sure what this actual color is. I will put it down below. The hair length is 12 inches. The density is 150. The cap size that I have is a small, and the lace color is a medium brown, and it is a 3-part frontal. So I think this hair looks really nice. As far as it being pre-plucked, I did have to go back in and pluck this hairline a lot more because it was not plucked enough. But I feel like with the plucking that I did, it looks really natural. Like whenever I slide this wig back, it's like hard to tell, you know, my hair from the hair. Like the hairline and everything is perfect on this wig. And I was wearing this the other day, and my mom was like, that really looks like, you know, like you got a sew-in or something. So let me show you. So here is an up close. Of course, whenever you are super close, you can see the lace. But, you know, whenever you're looking from like back here, it just looks very nice and blended and everything. And this is the color. Really nice. I really like this blonde color. It's really pretty. I'm really loving this hair. As far as shedding, I don't really get any shedding with this hair, probably because it's so short. I did bleach the knots on this wig as well. It says bleach knots on the package, so I'm guessing it must have came bleached, but they weren't bleached enough. And if I remember correctly, some of the knots like right around the front did look bleached, but not, you know, like the whole front part, and I like to do that whole section. So I did re-bleach the knots on this wig, and I think it took really, really well because it looks really natural. In the parting area, I did go back in and pluck this hair some more. Even after I wore it the first time, I wasn't satisfied with how plucked it was, so I did pluck it again the next time I wore it. So today I didn't do any plucking. I literally just put this wig on with a little bit of hairspray and laid the baby hairs down again. And the wig is very secure. It's not as secure as I would normally do because I usually add gel, but since I am doing a few wig videos today, I did not do that. So yeah, I really like this hair. I want to play with it some more and style it in some different ways. I really like the color of it and everything, and usually whenever I first wore it, I kind of wore it tucked behind my ear. Wore it kind of tucked behind my ear with some sideburn hair out, so you can do that as well, and it makes it still look really natural. But today I just kind of rocked it like this. But yeah, this hair is really pretty. It curls really good. It holds the curl really good. I did get caught in the rain the other day, so that of course is going to ruin your curls. But as far as like being out and stuff in the humidity, I didn't have any problems with this hair holding a curl, and that's really important for me with a bob because I love to do a messy curly type of look instead of just wearing it like straight all the time. This hair straightens out really pretty as well, because before I did the curls in it, I did straighten it first because the hair was kind of more wavy after I shampooed it and everything. So yeah, I think this hair is really, really pretty. I don't even know what else I want to say about this hair because it's just really cute. I think this is a great wig for like work and stuff like that because it's really easy to put on, especially if you already have it styled like with a curl in it or just wearing it straight or whatever the case may be. You can just kind of pop it on, lay your baby hairs, and could be on your way. And I did apply a elastic band in this wig as well, just because I really like how snug they make my wigs fit. But it does have straps in the back and it is 360, so you can style this hair pretty much any way that you want to. It is really, you know, like a bob, so I wouldn't try to do like a ponytail or anything, but you could do a ponytail at the top or like right in the center if you want it. But yeah, I think this hair is pretty. I love the color of it. So shout out to China Lace Wigs. If you guys have questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be, you know, here to check out all the videos, honey. And thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.